5.3%. This is Munich style premium beer. This is Lowenbrau original, 5.3%. A gorgeous can. I love the art on her. The gold ribbon top and bottom. And I just found it in the store again. And oh yeah, it brings back a lot of memories. This one here, I've always found it to be very easy to drink. It's one that I always found slightly bitter, but at the back end, from what I remember anyways, beautiful looking beer, isn't it? That one has nice carbonation. It's not like crazy carbonated, but it's a little carbonated. Citrusy notes. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Gats. Oh yeah, just I remember. And at the back end is that bitterness. It's a peppery almost. It is something that has citrusy flavor to it, very malty. There's not a lot going on with the beer. There's no need to get fancy, and you know, this is 5.3%, but is a nice sessionable beer, and that's what this is all about. This is about enjoying a bunch of these with family and friends and good times. No need to go over the top. So I get the citrus, I get some malt, I get the bitterness, and I get to go back for another one. It's made to be easy drinking. So it's great about finding this Lowenbrau is the memories that it brings back. When we were younger, the guys and I would get together, and we'd start, you know, having a few beers before we went out. You grab 6, whatever you could find. I would loved grabbing Lowenbrau. So did my buddies. We would sometimes we'd play some cards. We would have a lot of laughs before we went out. And that's what this brings back. This is good memories, good beer, and thanks for coming along. I'll see you again in the next pour. And if you can find Lowenbrau, make sure you grab some. It's absolutely delicious. You'll enjoy it. Gats.